Hello everyone. So in the previous session we have seen that x of n is equal to sine pi n by 4 is a power signal. In this particular session we will check whether x of n is equal to cos pi n by 4 is an energy signal or power signal. So this one we discussed already. Question number 3 we discussed already, that is a power signal. This one also a power signal. Let us check x of n is equal to cos pi n by 4 is an energy signal or power signal. So x of n is equal to cos pi n upon 4. Let us calculate the energy first. Energy capital E is equal to summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite mod of x of n square, which is equal to summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite cos pi n by 4 square, that is summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite cos square pi n by 4. Now it can be written as summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite 1 plus cos 2 pi n by 4 whole divided by 2. 2 to the 4. Now split the summation and it will be summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite 1 by 2 plus summation n equal to minus infinite to infinite cos pi n by 2 divided by 2. Now cos of angle from minus infinite to infinite is always equal to infinite. So this will be infinite, and infinite plus anything will be equal to infinite. So I can say this particular signal is at least not an energy signal. So let us calculate average power and check whether this particular signal is a power signal or not. So we know that P average is equal to limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n mod of x of n square, that is limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to capital N cos pi n upon 4 square, that can be written as limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to capital N cos square pi n upon 4, that is limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n. This can be written as 1 plus cos of 2 pi n by 4 whole divided by 2. So this is 2 to the 4. Now this can be written as 1 upon 2. I have taken 1 upon 2 outside the limit. Limit capital N tends to infinite 1 upon 2n plus 1 summation n equal to minus n to n 1 plus summation n equal to minus n to n cos of pi n upon 2. Now cos pi n by 2 from minus n to n is always a periodic signal, so this reduces to 0 as we discussed in the previous session. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 limit capital N tends to infinite 1 by 2n plus 1 into minus n to n, the value of 1 will be equal to 2n plus 1 we discussed already in the previous class. 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 get cancelled out and I get 1 by 2. So as 1 by 2 is a finite number, I can say this particular signal is a power signal. So from the previous discussion and today's discussion, we conclude that all sinusoidal signals and all cos signals are always a power signal.